G'day everybody, I'm Jason and I'm here to show you how to get around the Earsketch user interface. So to get started, first of all, if you didn't already click on the link at the beginning of the video or you don't have the Earsketch interface up, go back and do that and you should be able to get to load up this view. The Earsketch user interface works best in Google Chrome or Firefox, so you probably want to try one of those browsers. So let's go over the different areas of the screen. The first area you might not notice, up in the far right hand corner is an area to log in, and so to be able to save or read any of the files that you create, you want to first of all make sure you're always logged in. And I'll log in with my account here. And this then lets you use the load and save options in this area down here. So there's four main areas of the user interface that we'll go over. The first area is over here on the left. It's the sound file browser. And from here you can upload new sounds. We'll go over how to do that in a future lesson as well. And you can also set the tempo for any music that you create. And right now we'll leave that at 120, but that's the beats per minute, or really how fast the music is going to come out in the system. And here we have several folders that we can go through and browse for music that we can include into our composition. And if you click on the folder, you can open and close folders to drop them down and expand them out. And you can see this one has several files in it. And from here you can sample the file to listen to it, or play a different one. And we'll also show later when we're creating music that we'll use this second button, the clipboard, to paste the music into our program. And I think that's about it for the sound area. This is the digital audio workstation area over here, and it's where music will be composed or be able to seen visually, and also you'll see the playing head, this red line that moves along as we run through our music. We don't have anything there right now, so if I click on play we won't get anything. I'll load in some music in a minute and we'll see this fill in. There's an area here too that shows the number of tracks. So as we load in our music, we'll see that this number is really which track number that you're currently looking at and going to play. And the area at the bottom of the right hand side of the screen is the code window, and you can drag and move this around to try to get a better view. If you have a larger program in there, you can move that, and also change the size of the font if you need to. I'm going to load in a program here that I've created before, and we'll go through in our next lesson what this all means. But after I load it, I can click run. And you can see when I clicked run that over here the console output a number of different pieces of information as it processed my code. And that's important if you have something that's not quite working or there's some error. You want to take a look over here to see what's going on that caused that. And after running the program that I had here, the code actually caused it to generate two tracks up here, track 1 and 2, and it's filled in with some music. So let's just run that to see how that playhead moves. So pretty cool. We've got some music coming out without very much stuff, and in the next lesson we'll go over what fit media means. So see you later, and tune in for our next session.